Welcome back to the Everyday English Channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 6 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Teacher says, "How are you?" Student says, "I'm fine, thank you. And you?" Sound familiar? We all learned it, we all said it. But here's the truth. If you want to sound like a native English speaker, you need to stop saying, "I'm fine, thank you." In fact, saying "I'm fine" can sometimes make you sound awkward or even angry. You want to sound natural, friendly, and confident, right? Today, we're going to break free from the "how are you" trap and discover over 7 amazing natural ways to answer this common question. Get ready to transform your small talk. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to join our 30-day English journey. So, why is "I'm fine, thank you" a problem? Is it grammatically wrong? No, but in real-life English conversation, it sounds formal, impersonal, and a bit cold. Imagine your friend asks, "How are you?" and you just say, "I'm fine," with no emotion. They might think something is wrong or that you don't want to talk. We use English to connect, and "I'm fine" doesn't help us connect. Native speakers rarely use it unless they are feeling just okay but don't want to explain why. So, what should you say instead? Let's start with how to express yourself when you're feeling great. Number 1, "I'm doing great, thanks," or "I'm doing well, thanks." This is very common, polite, and positive. It tells the other person you are genuinely having a good time. Example, a friend says, "Hey Michelle, how are you?" Michelle says, "I'm doing great, thanks. Just finished filming a new podcast." Number 2, pretty good. This is super popular, especially in American English. It means you're feeling happy and everything is going well. It's casual and friendly. Example, colleague says, "How are things?" Michelle says, "Pretty good. It's almost the weekend." Number 3, fantastic or excellent. Use these when you are truly, genuinely excited. This shows a lot of energy. Example, boss says, "Good morning, how are you?" Michelle says, "Fantastic, ready for a productive day." Number 4, can't complain. This is a classic native English phrase. It means things are going well enough that you have nothing to complain about. It sounds very authentic. Example, neighbor says, "How are you holding up?" Michelle says, "Can't complain, the weather's been lovely." Now, we can't always be at 100% energy. What if your day is just average? Not amazing, not terrible, just normal. Here are some perfect middle ground answers. Number 5, not bad. This is the perfect, simple, and honest answer for an okay day. It's concise and widely understood. Example, waiter says, "How are you today?" Michelle says, "Not bad, thanks." Number 6, I'm all right. Similar to not bad, it means everything is acceptable. Be careful with your tone here. If you say it slowly or with a sigh, it might sound like you are actually not all right. So keep it light and friendly. Example, friend says, "How's life?" Michelle says, "I'm all right, just a bit busy." Number 7, same old, same old. This is a very casual phrase you can use with people you know well. It means nothing new, everything is the same as usual. Example, sister says, "What's new?" Michelle says, same old, how about you?" Okay, now that you have a great answer, don't forget the most important part of a conversation. In episode 4, we talked about keeping conversations going. The key is to ask the question back. This shows you are polite and interested in the other person. Instead of just a boring "and you," try these. How about yourself? Very polite and common. How's it going with you? Friendly and informal. What about you? Simple and direct. And you? This is still okay, but remember to add some energy to your voice. Okay, it's practice time. Let's use our shadowing technique from episode 2. I'll say a natural answer, and I want you to repeat it, mimicking my rhythm and tone. Ready? "I'm doing great, thanks. How about yourself?" "Pretty good, can't complain." "Not bad, just getting through the day." "Fantastic, what about you?" You see, saying "I'm fine, thank you" is now a thing of the past. You have so many natural options to choose from. Start using one of these new phrases today, and you'll instantly sound like a native speaker. Episode 6 Homework. Imagine I'm asking you right now, "Hey, how's it going?" How would you answer me using one of today's new phrases? Write your answer in the comments below. I'll be there to read and reply to all of you. If this video helped you escape the "How are you" trap, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Tomorrow, in episode 7, we're tackling a big survival skill, the "I don't understand" survival kit. What to say when a native speaker talks too fast or uses words you don't know. You won't want to miss it. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Don't just learn English, live English. See you tomorrow.